Hello, sweet friends, and thank you for spending a little part of your day with me. If you've been here for a while, you know that this channel has always been about simple living, finding joy in quiet moments, cooking wholesome meals, tending a garden, creating with our hands, and remembering that an ordinary life can be a beautiful one. Lately, though, God has been teaching me something I didn't expect. He's been reminding me that while work is good, purpose is good, and building this channel is a wonderful thing, there are seasons when we need to slow down just enough to notice the beautiful gifts He quietly places in front of us. Sometimes we become so focused on what we're creating that we almost miss what God is creating within us. For me, one of those unexpected gifts has been opening my heart to love again. Now, I don't usually speak about my private life, but I feel led to share just a little. Over the past several years, I have poured my heart into this little corner of YouTube. Every video, every recipe, every quiet conversation has been offered with gratitude. Looking back, I can't help but believe that each small step has led me to this moment. God has been gently opening my heart once again, and little by little, He is allowing someone to enter it. Someone who shares my faith, my values, and my love for living a life rooted in Christ. A man of integrity, kindness, and exceptional character, and a hard worker. I'm grateful for the gentle way God writes our stories, never hurried, always purposeful. And to me, that's what beautiful love looks like. Two people encouraging one another, serving one another, helping each other grow closer to Christ in every part of life, with God always at the center. Our family also has another precious blessing on our hearts. My daughter is expecting a beautiful little boy, her sweet baby Noah. Every day he continues to grow safely in her womb, and her family is praying faithfully for a healthy pregnancy, peaceful delivery, and for Noah to grow into a man who loves God and serves the Lord all the days of his life. Life truly is full of beautiful seasons. Some seasons are filled with work, some with waiting, some with healing, and every now and then God surprises us with joy we never expected. So this week I'm simply choosing to slow down a bit, to notice His goodness and to thank Him for every blessing, both the ones I prayed for and the ones I never saw coming. Thank you so much for being a part of this little community. Your kindness and encouragement have meant more than you know. Until next week, I'll be right here once again, cooking, baking, gardening, or perhaps crafting. Until then, may God bless you and keep you. I'll see you soon.